and welcome to Tech channel. Today I am going to show how I implemented some tool that I will use for opening the mainspring barrels. In some Seiko watches, in many of those, there is barrel which constructed this way that it's hard to open. It has the cover that goes over the barrel, and Seiko actually doesn't recommend to open these barrels. It recommends to replace whole barrel with mainspring. But I know many people who work on watches, they are opening this barrel somehow. I also try to open it using the screwdriver. But the problem is that if you use small screwdriver, it doesn't work there because it cannot push cover. It doesn't have enough width to open it. If I use bigger screwdriver, it goes out of field because it has flat surface and the barrel is rounded. So I decided to create some tool using the brass rod. I made the end of this rod as a screwdriver shape, and also I use file to create this groove on the end, at the end of the brass rod. So with that, I will try to open this barrel. So this tool could be useful and it's easy to implement. And now I can remove mainspring, inspect it, and if it is in a good state, I can use it again after cleaning. I also made a nice wooden handle for this tool, so I can use it more conveniently. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on this channel. Bye bye now.